it's recording. Okay. Hey y'all, this is Evangelist. Like, hello, this is my what? Can't take of this. Either my battery dies or I don't have enough memory in this crazy camera. Oh my goodness, I just realized there's squiggly stuff all over my mirror. What the? That's not gonna help the problem. I literally did not plan that to happen. Okay, that's my drum set behind me. And if you're wondering what that was, yeah, I have a drum set. Oh yeah, because I'm awesome. Y'all wish y'all could be me because I'm cool. I have a shout out to Steve. Love you, Steve. No homo. And I have a shout out to Foofy. Hey, Foofy. What's up, girl? I know them. They told me to do that. Oops, I wasn't supposed to say that. Okay, haven't been making a video in a while because of my hair. Got a new haircut and everything. Oh yes, it's awesome. And my best friend dyed it black, and I need to get it black again because like you can't see it, but there's brown like right here, so I need to get that again. And yep. So I'm gonna make a video. My birthday. There's gonna be like a lot of people there. There's gonna be some girls, some guys, you know, just partying, fooling around, being crazy in our bathing suits and stuff. Oh, and somebody requested "Remember December." Don't really know the song, but this is all I know. And I go back to December all the time. Sorry, my voice is a little croaky. I think I might have strep. It might just be my allergies. I don't know. It hurts when I swallow. I don't know. I really want to go to school tomorrow, though. That's kind of weird. This is my gerbil, Skylar. Somebody mentioned him in a comment. Yeah, this is him. Close up. He's an albino gerbil, Skylar Randomness. Oh yes, he's awesome like me. Okay, now before this goes, well, it's about to go. So, love you guys, no homo, and congratulations, YouTube. I'm awesome, and you can be awesome too. We're awesome together. Okay, I think I'm gonna go post this video, and I really have to pee. Yep. Okay.